So this is a German jeweler's saw frame. They also call it a piercing saw. First of all, we're just going to have a little bit of a look at the length of that blade, just to make sure we've opened it up enough. You need to put the saw up against a bench and then into your sternum here. I need to check that the blade is going the right direction, so I'm going to run my fingers down it, and if I run my fingers up, it gets caught a little bit, so I know that's facing the right direction. So your blade should be facing up, because otherwise you'll be trying to saw and it won't work. And I usually screw in the top bit of it first, so it kind of looks like that. You can hear it's got a really nice high-pitched sound to it, and I can tell that that saw is in the right way because when I run my finger down like this, it goes smoothly, and when I run my finger back, it's getting caught. And people talk about this as being like a cat, that's the tail and that's the head, and when you pat the cat, you can pat it easily that way but not the other direction. And before we start sawing, we actually put something like cut lube or blade butter or even some beeswax onto the blade to make it run smoothly.